Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can close your account in your Payoneer. So the first step that you have to do is go ahead and open the Payoneer Support Center. And then once you're here, just have to go to the I wish to close my account. So in here, you have a step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So there are a few things that you need to know before closing your account. So the first one is to please use up any remaining funds before closing your account. So once you confirm your account closure, any remaining funds in your account will be lost. So next is any funding sources linked to your account will not be available to link to another Payoneer account once your account is closed. Another one is you will not be able to use the same email address to register for a new Payoneer account. And lastly is once your account has been closed, they cannot be able to reopen it again due to the regulations. So if you want to submit a form, if you really want to close your account, you can tap on submit the form to continue the process. So in here, you just have to put here your first name, last name, and your email address linked to your Payoneer account. And you also have to select here the reason why you are closing your account. And then are you planning to link or use an existing funding sources with another Payoneer account? So you just have to select your answer in here. It is a yes or no. And then the last digits of your bank account or the card, you just have to input it in here. And your date of birth and your feedback. So once you're done with all the form, you just have to click on this checkbox right here to confirm that you're not a robot and then tap on submit. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!